Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2014 Ram 3500. This four-door, six-passenger truck stands out among competitors in its class. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. Top features include cruise control, a tachometer, a front bench seat, heated door mirrors, a trailer hitch, a bed liner, and remote keyless entry. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.